Hey.
Hi there, fellow builders and Jedi Masters. I'm Anton from Anton's Mindstorms, and today I have something truly special for all you sword fighting game fans and LEGO Star Wars enthusiasts. I've converted this LEGO Star Wars diorama into an interactive sword fighting game. Each player has a lightsaber. The lightsabers have only one button, so timing is critical. Just like the movies, the characters dance around each other, and when the moment is right, they strike. But be careful, the opposing player can parry, so then your strike goes to waste. But the parrying player also has to be careful. If he or she parries without your attacking, whoops, you stumble and lose a point. Feint, dodge, hide your attacks. It's all about strategy and deception and timing. It's a lot of fun. I programmed this with LEGO Education EV3 word blocks, and I built it mainly with the LEGO Mindstorms EV3 retail set because I wanted to keep the build accessible. But of course there is only one of these buttons in that set, so you will have to get an extra button. You could use a light sensor, but that's maybe not fair. Or you could use an old NXT button, which works fine on the EV3. And apart from that set, I added a big green beam because we need a green lightsaber. And there is some studded Technics bricks inside here to make the connection with the diorama, but I think almost anyone has those lying around from ages past, so that shouldn't be a problem for most of you. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what incredible LEGO duels you come up with. And keep building with LEGO Mindstorms EV3. Even though it's out of production, there is still so much creative things you can do. And of course, remember to subscribe if you want to see more creative ideas with LEGO Mindstorms EV3 or any other Mindstorm set for that matter. Thanks for watching, and bye bye!
Hey.